Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of July 3rd, 2021. And the first question is, who among the following takes over as DG Corps of Army Air Defense? And the options are A. Ajit Doval, B. Kuldeep Singh, C. Sunil Puri Goswami, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. Sunil Puri Goswami. Lieutenant General Sunil Puri Goswami is the 13th Director General of Army Air Defense. And the second question is, who becomes the youngest Grandmaster in chess history? And the options are A. Abhimanyu Mishra, B. Abhinav Mishra, C. Abhijit Sardar, and D. Arjun Kalyan. And the correct answer is A. Abhimanyu Mishra. At the age of 12 years, 4 months, 25 days, Abhimanyu Mishra breaks the record formerly held by Russian Grandmaster Sergei Karjakin. And the third question is, who appointed as the new DGP of Uttar Pradesh? And the options are A. C. Sailendra Babu, B. Mukul Goyal, C. Gautam Sawang, and D. Spurti Priya. And the correct answer is B. Mukul Goyal. And the fourth question is, Rajendra Kishore Panda bags Kuvempu Rashtriya Puraskar 2020. He is renowned for which profession? The options are A. Writer, B. Artist, C. Screenwriter, and D. Poet. And the correct answer is D. Poet. He is a Odia poet. His award carries a cash award of 5 lakhs, a silver medal, and a citation. Rashtrakavi Kuvempu Trust instituted this National Annual Literary Award in 2013. And the fifth question is, according to Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021 released by Startup Blink, how many Indian cities are listed in the top 1000? And the options are A. 20, B. 43, C. 4, and D. 90. And the correct answer is B. 43. Whereas the top 5 countries in the index are 1. USA, 2. UK, 3. Israel, 4. Canada, and 5th Germany. Top 5 cities are San Francisco, New York, Beijing, Los Angeles, and London. Top cities in the top 20 are Bangalore, New Delhi, Mumbai in India. And the sixth question is, which among the following is the India's oldest running newspaper which turns 200? And the options are A. Dainik Jagaran, B. The Hindu, C. Mumbai Samachar, and D. both A and C. And the correct answer is C. Mumbai Samachar. Mumbai Samachar is a Gujarat paper turns 200 recently, and it is the oldest running newspaper in India. And the seventh question is, Which of the following state launched Information Technology Policy 2021 to 2024? And the options are A. Telangana, B. Gujarat, C. Kerala, and D. Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is D. Andhra Pradesh. This policy is expected to generate more than 55,000 jobs in the next 3 years. AP Information Technology Policy will be in force till March 31, 2024. And the 8th question is, who has announced to launch its new publishing tool called Bulletin? And the options are A. Facebook, B. Twitter, C. WhatsApp, and D. Instagram. And the correct answer is A. Facebook. Bulletin would help and support these independent creators in United States. And the 9th question is, who qualified for Tokyo Olympics in both 100 meters and 200 meters races? And the options are A. Dute Chand, B. Sanjan Prakash, C. Sumit Javed, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Dute Chand. Dute Chand qualified for Tokyo Olympics in both 100 meters and 200 meters races. And the 10th question is, which of the following company becomes 5th US company to join $1 trillion club? And the options are A. WhatsApp, B. Facebook, C. Instagram, and D. Google. And the correct answer is B. Facebook. Facebook company was founded by Zuckerberg in 2004 and Harvard University. And the 11th question is, who was roped as brand ambassador of Wow Life Science? And the options are A. Kiara Advani, B. Kajol Devagan, C. Kareena Kapoor Khan, and D. Anushka Sharma. And the correct answer is C. Kareena Kapoor Khan. And the 12th question is, which of the following bank has launched its business mentoring program MSME Prerana in Maharashtra? And the options are A. Indian Bank, B. Bank of Maharashtra, C. HDFC Bank, and D. ICICI Bank. And the correct answer is A. Indian Bank. And the 13th question is, who becomes the first ever Pakistan bowler to take 100 wickets in T20s? And the options are A. Mohammad Imam, B. Nida Dar, C. Babar Azam, and D. Wasim Akram. And the correct answer is B. Nida Dar. 5th bowler in the women's game to join the 100 T20 wickets, and the first ever Pakistan bowler to take 100 wickets in T20s. And the 14th question is, which state has launched Jan Sahayak Aapka Sahayak app? And the options are A. Assam, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Jammu and Kashmir, and D. Haryana. The correct answer is D. Haryana. And the 15th question is, which bank has collaborated with Amazon Web Services for digital transformation? The options are A. SBI, B. Federal Bank, C. Axis Bank, and D. UBI. And the correct answer is C. Axis Bank. It is to build a portfolio of new digital financial services with technology change and also for easy account opening. And the one-liners today are: Lieutenant General Sanjeev Kumar Sharma takes over as Deputy Chief of Army Staff. SGS Zoroaster ship was recently induced into Seychelles Coast Guard. UTS 20,000 scholarship for school students and 40,000 for college students. Centre declares Nagaland as distributed area under AFSPA for another period of 6 months. N. Venudhar Reddy takes charge as Director General of All Indian Radio. Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary appointed as new IAF Vice Chief. Pratmesh Mishra named as the new Chairman of Royal Challengers Bangalore. Ayman Benabderrahman named as Prime Minister of Algeria. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs and stay safe, stay home.